you know we out here, you know, on our grind. Man, shout out Andrew, man, taking pictures. Shout out John, man. Bang bang, bang bang, shang shang. You know, so we got this sick ass beach that we now own. Woo!
This is our beach.
Yup. Yup. Now we're walking over to our own observatory. Yup. Yup. That's Xavier, yeah, type shit. You know, I make $3,000 a month. If you want to hit me up for like some tips, bro, or like intern, then you know, hit me up. All right, bang bang. Yeah. Man, you know these people taking the road more traveled. I'm taking the road less traveled right here. Yup. Calling it mud. It ain't even muddy right here. Yup. Yup. Look how slow they're going. Yup. Yup. Hey man. But shout out to my Xavier Yutters. You feel me? Like, I don't know what to call you guys. But you know we really out here. You know we next to my beach house right here. You know, I'm getting bands on top of bands on top of bands. You feel me? It's my forest right here, called Troy Lee Forest. You feel me? Yeah. Shit. Holy shit. All right, this might be a GG. Nah, fuck it. Fuck it. This is muddy as hell. This might have been a badass decision.
Alright, so right about now, I'm like, goddamn, my ass is fucked. I cannot do shit, right? But I'm already talking all that shit, so I can't lose my alpha card. So, you know, you gotta hesitate a little bit, and then you gotta go. You can't just make it out like, you know, you're a little bitch, right? So, like, we just have to compromise, you feel me? Yeah, alright, let's get back, yeah.
Fuck. Fuck. Fuck! Ugh. Damn it. They got me. Alright, chill. Yo, what is this white shit? Holy fuck. Alright. You know, alright man, sometimes the road less traveled doesn't always work, alright? Like, it's less traveled for a reason. That's tip number one. See, I had to teach you guys, so I took it myself just to show you guys, teach you a lesson. And you guys fell for it thinking I would actually take that as stupid, alright? But you know, I mean, hey, this quality is pretty good, huh? My Android, pretty litty, if I do say so myself. Probably gonna get fucked up in editing though. Alright, see you guys
Love in London.
in the next segment, yeah.
So right now it's video taping?
Yeah. Hello, me and John, we're about to embark on a mission. What? A mission? And we might get hypothermia or we might get struck by
That's our
lightning.
mission right there.
Fuck. Fuck, you know we have to do it for the vlog though. Fuck.
Troy, get out and take off your shorts. They can wear something back that's dry. Oh god, this is so bad.
Holy fuck.
Oh my god, this is bad. Holy crap. What the hell? So the phone is now dripping in water. My camera is basically soaked, which kind of sucks. But, you know, you take one for the team, I guess. For some nice vacation photos. Holy crap. They're climbing the thing now. Let's see if they can do it. John, he's got a weak upper body, so he might not be able to do it. Troy, he's pretty strong. Oh, Xavier, he's pretty strong. Oops. Bleep that out, Troy. Yeah? Dude, your phone is so wet. Oh my god, what are they doing? It is a restroom. Damn. They better not make me stand here. Oh god. Oh my god. Huh? Swim back, dude, it's so cold. I don't know, do whatever. Yo, there's lightning!
That's our mission right there.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yeah, they're swimming back now. That's kind of scary. It strikes the water, holy crap. As you can tell, John is a swimmer. He almost tried out his freshman year.
Oh, fuck.
There's a little bit of shrinkage with John, but it's okay. It's cold. There was actually a lightning bolt. I don't know if I got it on video because I'm terrible at holding the camera, but there was a lightning bolt.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
It's not even 5 minutes.
What is really clean?
Freshwater lake.
Okay, the fishes. Oh, so tiring.
Do you want your phone back, Troy?
Dude, my underwear started falling off.
Turn it off?
Alright, what the fuck is up, guys? I'm fucking dying by myself. John and Andrew decided that they want to risk taking a shower out here, but I'm not trying to die twice in one day, you feel me? So, yeah, I'm just kind of like, you know, in my crib, you feel me? Yeah, fuck. Alright, yeah, today was a fucking litty day. So basically, we went to the lake while it was fucking raining. It was like pouring like this shit, right? The water was actually pretty warm. And, you know, it's pretty decent. And we just fucking, we swam out. We swam out to the restroom that was on the lake. And, you know, I took a piss there, so shout out to that restroom. And then we swam back when Andrew yelled lightning. We can't see it in the video, but, fuck! Dude, that was crazy. Holy shit. Yeah, so a little update. Yeah. Hopefully I don't die. Alright, cool. When you're trying to roast some hot dogs.
Boy, you penis looking ass.
Boy. Get your ass drenched in the fire, boy. Why you in the fire, boy? Can't take the heat, boy? Yup. Yup.
I can't stand this heat anymore, man. I can't stand this.
It's called innovation.
Are you vlogging right now?
It's innovation, Andrew.
Engineering.
Engineering.
CSP.
And UCI.
Yeah.
The future of America.
when we interview for SpaceX, they're gonna be like,
We're gonna show this video.
what projects have you worked on?
You guys should take a picture of this and
Let's send it to Amma.
no, send it to whomever you guys want to send it to. Maybe to Tommy. Does he have access to?
No, he's like dead right now.
He had
But
one.
don't they have a free time?
He had one
Yeah.
day of internet.
Yeah.
Flew up from London, landed in Paris, skipping my classes.